Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to crop or trim your source. So let's say you're recording your whole desktop screen here, right? And you want to crop it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your source and make sure it's unlocked so you're able to edit it. You're going to right click this, and then you're going to go to transform, and you're going to want to go to edit transform. Okay, so then you want to go to crop after that. So I don't want the bottom or the top to be shown, so I'm just going to go to bottom. I'm just going to hit my up arrow, and as you can see, it's now closing the actual video itself. So that's pretty neat here. And then you're gonna hit close here. But as you can see now, it's not showing the bottom now of the screen. So if you didn't want to show that anymore, you're pretty good. And then I don't want the top anymore either. So we're gonna go back here. We're gonna right click. We're gonna go back to transform. You're gonna go to edit, and then we're gonna go to top. No, sorry, go to top, and then hit the up arrow key. All right, and then we're gonna hit close. And now that's all you see there, and that's awesome. So now you can just lock the screen, and now they don't see the top file, edit video, anything like that, because all of this is here. So that's pretty awesome. But yeah, that is how to crop a source. You can pretty much crop anything, and there's a lot of other oops, sorry, there's a lot of other things you can do besides just cropping. You can also, position it another way. If you want it to be top center, you can. Top right, you can. Um, go back here in the center. Oops. Yo, if it ever goes, oh, I'm gonna make that a video. But if it ever goes off screen, you can just transform, fit the screen if it ever gets missing. But yeah, so that is how you crop a source. If there's any questions or any other things you want to know about OBS, please put it in the comments, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in another video. Peace.